Stranded on this island.
Hey guys, it's Pat at Manitoulin Island RC. How are you? Well, we got a lot of snow, so I figured I'm going to take a break from the press shop and get out for a little crawl before we get buried again. Our first snowfall lasted 2 days, and we got about 40 centimeters, which is like 16 inches, I believe, which is quite a bit in a couple days. And we have another snowfall that we're expecting about 60 centimeters, which adds up to about 2 feet, 24 inches. So yeah, I figured before everything gets buried, I'm going to get out and have a little bit of fun and take a break. Other than that, there's really nothing new on the Optic. I haven't changed anything on it. Everything is still running exactly like the previous run. Everything is iced up right now, so a lot of the rocks are extremely slippery, and I might not be able to run exactly how I want, but so what's new? What do we have new? I did order, and I forgot to mention it in the last video, some Pricey's shocks, which are going to take a while because you gotta wait for the best. And that's all Pricey's is, apparently, is the best. And they're going to ship here from Australia, which is really cool. I did some pricing around, and I was quite impressed with the price difference, because I was looking at the Deluxe, the drafts, which are super nice as well. But after the Canadian-US exchange rate and all that, they were just outrageously priced, which is super unfortunate because our exchange rate in Canada right now is super, super weak. So I figured, hey, I'm going to check Australia and see what happens. And our exchange rate with Australia is a little bit stronger, which in fact made the Pricey's shocks really affordable, which was really neat. And shipping from Australia was only 25 bucks, so I couldn't pass that up. Oh, I love watching this thing just flex out. Sorry, phone bracket's loose. I have a camera mount right on my remote here, and every once in a while the camera mount wants to let go. I've got to tighten it, or maybe tape it up or something, I don't know. Yeah, that ice is really making this a little bit more complicated, but it's definitely fun. So if you look around me, I said we got a lot of snow. This is how much snow we got. So if you look up there on that little table up there, there's a lot of snow up there. Let's get back along the shoreline where there's less ice and possibly more traction. Water's really low right now too, so these rocks are normally not exposed. There we go. Should be able to get out of that. And they are slippery. Even walking on them, I'm having a bit of a challenge here. I wanted to get down nice and low. Oh yeah. Yeah, I see it just slip right off that rock. I was trying to maintain the ridge there, but not gonna happen. No, right off. Ooh, that's slimy. Alright, I think we're going to turn around here because there's not really much else up ahead. And head back the other way where there's better rocks. Of course, I get right on the diffs when I'm not looking. Trying to watch where I'm walking and... Oh, okay, now I'm looking. That was my fault. Come on, it's not... Yeah, it is that slippery. Okay. Guess I gotta go this way. Oh yeah, it's just sliding everywhere. It's greasy too because some of these rocks have like a green slime on them. So they're a little bit slick. Even underwater, yeah, the tires just picked up some of the slime. Gonna have to run it in the snow a little bit just to clean the tires off. So it's like maybe -1 Celsius. It's not really cold, but cold enough that my bare hands are starting to feel it a bit. This is what I like to play on, but impossible. The snow is extremely deep on here. Like, I don't know if you can see how deep that is, but that would not work. Ooh, there it goes again. Ooh, see it there? I just slid. And as I'm falling, or almost falling, not paying attention to the car. Oh, come on. You can see the snow accumulating on the roof. At first it was melting, so it was warm from the house, but now the rig is a bit cold, so it's doing its thing. Alright, let's go through a little bit of, ooh, of course, right into the rock. Yeah, that looks awesome. Oh, it's good. Yeah, no traction at all. But it's still fun. Just gotta drag that axle. Find that traction. Ooh. I don't like this spot. Don't hit my side panel. Come on, get up there. There we go. Okay, that is awesome. Glad it didn't slide sideways into the panel though. Alright, find that traction. You got this. Oh. Just dragging it along. Well, as you can see, it's snowing pretty hard out here. I'm going to call it a video for now, guys, but thanks for watching Manitoulin Island RC, and if you enjoyed the video, just hit that subscribe button if you can, and hit the like button because it helps the algorithm. And I'm going to keep playing a little bit in the snow here. Hopefully not wipe out and fall. But yeah, this thing just won't go in that deep stuff at all. So there it is, guys. Cheers. Thanks for watching.